my crypto.com Crowcoin holders. I've got a video for you guys today. We're going to be talking about crypto.com and Crowcoin. An exchange has just initiated a $1 billion burn. Is it crypto.com? We're going to find out. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Maxi. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So, starting on Crypto Twitter, follow me at 333blacksea. I say the Crow fam right now. And it's just a straight face of the donkey. Because OKX burns record 1.32 billion in 27th OKB token burn. I love seeing these exchange token burns because this is what the communities want to see. This drives speculation to said chain, and it drives volume, and most importantly, it drives the price up. It creates more supply, more demand and less supply. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see with tokens, especially in times like this when altcoins are getting beaten up and battered. What you don't want to see is an increase of 70 billion Crowcoin tokens. You don't want to see the supply increase by double or maybe even triple the circulating supply because, well, that creates dilution, and that's not what initial early investors want to see. That dilutes the value of their investment. So it is interesting to see more and more exchanges come out and burn their tokens. We saw BitGet do it, increase the price by like 800%. OKX burns 1.32 billion in OKB. That's absolutely insane. Really want to see some Crowcoin burns, do we not? Let me know in the comment section below. So Crowcoin right now is trading around 0.0830 cent level, a very, very important support level, guys. I know I've been talking about this level for a while because it is so important. We talked about all the way back here in July, all the way to November. We've touched this level a decent amount of time, and it is a magnet. When you are above it, usually you get pulled down to it. When you're below it, usually you get rejected further down. And we just keep bouncing around here. We are trading exactly on 0.0830, and I do expect this to play out for the time being. Maybe we get a little bit of relief here, come back down, and probably break down a little bit more, especially because the overarching traditional market is quite negative at the moment. Unfortunately, it is. And you couple that with also this huge potential increase in supply on Crowcoin, it's going to make people panic sell if the panic sellers haven't even sold already. I know I've been making a lot of Crowcoin videos talking about this 70 billion reissuance of Crowcoin, but guys, it's a big freaking deal. It's a big deal. There's still no transparency about it, and the majority of the voting power is in crypto.com's hands. I'm sorry if I'm a little jaded about it because I'm an early Crowcoin investor, and I have offloaded a decent amount over the years, but I still have a few 100,000 Crowcoin, and it's a shame because this is potentially, I mean, like I need to reiterate, I keep saying this in every video, I don't have enough clarity to be bullish. And on a surface level, from all of the data that I do have based on it, it's bearish. It's diluting my initial investment. That's how I feel about it. But guys, I do expect more volatility. And if you do want to take advantage of some volatility, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as a $5.6 million prize pool for a trading competition that's going on right now. And if you sign up using my link, you become part of my team. The more trading volume we do together, the more money we have access to. So feel free to check that out. I do want to say, I'm very bearish right now on alts and Crowcoin even a little bit in the short term because Crowcoin, I'm bearish on alts because of the overarching negative sentiment on the traditional market, the global trade war, all these tariffs. You have the Federal Reserve basically being late to cut rates and late to pivot. We're seeing that bleed into the traditional market. Then on top of that, you have the 70 billion reissuance proposal of Crow coins. And I just say, make Crow great again, guys, because the Crow fam is what made me fall in love with Crowcoin. I got in initially because I was bullish on the idea of an exchange token that had Visa cards. I thought that was great, and they just did more and more and more. Then it's my fundamental analysis started to change once crypto.com started to distance themselves from Crowcoin, and then we started talking about Crowcoin burns. I initiated a 129-day, every day I said, I'm proposing a Crowcoin burn, buyback and burn, quarterly burn, and after 129 days, the Cronos Labs team announced on the 2025 roadmap they would be integrating a quarterly burn. but now we're talking about reissuing 70 billion coins. I don't know. I'm not really into the trust me, bro situation when it comes to large corporations, guys. And I know a lot of you guys are saying, Black Sea, stop fudding. Stop fudding, Black Sea. Don't you think $1 billion corporation knows what they're doing? No, I don't. I don't think they know what they're doing. I don't think they know what they're doing for the best interest of the early investors. I think they're doing what's best interest for themselves. Yeah, definitely. But that's my 2 cents on it. I need more clarity. I don't want to be a huge bear and a huge fudster, but I need more clarity to be a bull. I need more clarity to be a bull. And I'm sorry I'm in that situation, but I am in that situation right now, and I want to be a bull. I want CrowCoin to be great again. I want that. Chris Marzek said that. I want to see that. Not just words. I want to see the actions, okay? You look at CrowCoin right now, we're sitting at rank 40, down 7.66% in the past 7 days, down about 1% in the past 24 hours, sitting at a $2.2 billion market cap and a 30 billion total supply. And the max supply is dash now, because guess what? We can create CrowCoins whenever we want now, right? If the proposal goes through. But guys, we are in a very interesting position here right now, because we are in not a make or break moment. We are in a moment of, there are 2 different scenarios that can play out. Mini bear market for a couple months, or it's not a local top and we're in a macro cycle top and we're going into a recessionary period in the traditional market. It's going to basically suppress the price of Bitcoin and crypto and set us up for probably a couple years of sideways downward bear market. Probably until 2026, around that time. But so we are in a very interesting time. We have about 200 days left in this bull market if we were to go specifically off of the 4-year cycle. So we really need to see this pivot happen within this next 200 days by October 2025, in my opinion. Sure, we could go maybe to December. It's possible. It doesn't have to be exactly to the T to the previous cycle, like back in 2020, 2021. But it probably is something similar to that. Maybe we do see a bounce here and we go to all-time highs. It's possible to see that happen before 2026. It's possible. We need to see some big pivots happen. I want to also take a look at the total crypto market cap right now, because we have tested the $2.41 trillion price level. Guys, need to reclaim $3 trillion. We need to reclaim that $3 trillion to be back in bull market territory, okay? You know, I don't like coming on here and being a bear. I don't want to be a bear, a sad bear. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. It's way more fun to be a bull. It's way more fun to bull post. Everyone's making money in the bull market, but I would be doing a disservice to you guys, the audience, if I wasn't being transparent and telling you how I'm seeing things. Yes, guess what? I am short on some altcoins. I am, but they're just hedging against my spot positions. They're not. I'm not trying to short the market to zero. I still own crypto, guys. I still own crypto. I'm just trying to lower my cost basis, okay? But in the short term, yeah, I'm bearish. But guys, I'm still buying Bitcoin every single day. Every single day. All the money I make from shorting crypto, I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm buying some equities too, but mainly Bitcoin. Let me know in the comments about what you guys think about this. Are you fed up with crypto.com, or do you think this is a great opportunity? That's a huge deal that they're going to be increasing the supply set by 70 billion. It's going to set CrowCoin and crypto.com to new all-time highs. We're going to new all-time highs on Bitcoin as well by the end of 2025. Let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious on your thoughts behind that, guys. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.